In this video, we will discuss how to create chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. You can select transactions, select chart of accounts. By clicking new button, you can create your accounts. Here we can create our account receivable accounts, current assets account, cash and cash equivalent accounts, fixed asset accounts, non-current asset account, accounts payable accounts, credit card accounts, current liabilities, new current non-current liabilities, owner's equity, income account, other income account, cost of sales accounts, expenses account, and other expenses account. Right. We will discuss in detail how to create an account. You can go to transactions, select chart of accounts, click new button for create new account. In this example, we will do how to create an income account. First, you need to enter the account name. I'll enter ticket income. Then you need to select the account type. Here you can select income, since we are creating income account, and detail type you can select discount refund, non-profit income, like that. These detail type you can select. I'll select the sales retail income. After that, you can enter description for this account. It is not mandatory. Then you can view that how that account will display in the profit and loss. This is our account and this is a profit and loss statement, and you can save this account. Like that, we can create our accounts. You search that account. Now you can see account name is ticket income, account type is income, detail type is sales retail. Like that, you can create your accounts. Next, we will create another account. This time we will create expense account. I'll enter fuel expenses as account name, and as account type I will select expense account, expense type, and detail type I can select travel expenses. You can see the account appear in the profit and loss report. After that, you can save this account. Like that, you can create your GL account.